Alright, so here's my new truck. It's a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. Extended cab, short bed, two-wheel drive. I know I said I was gonna get a diesel and all, but a lot of people talked me out of it, and this will get me to where I can save for a nice diesel. It's can't really tell. Scratched up a little bit. Super clean. I like it. It has lots of miles on it, but got a good price on it. Clean interior. Got oil, do oil change. Got snacks because I get hungry when I work. So put that down there. I'll grab my keys. Close that. Has 213,629 miles. We bought it with about 213,257. So I've been putting a lot of miles on it since I got it. Runs good. Drives good. I got a 2-inch leveling kit right there. I got from a friend for 40 bucks, so I'm gonna level it out. Power windows, power locks, center console, sunglasses, gum. Got decals in there, so some of those decals are for sale. Got some of those getting made. Let me show you the under hood. Super clean motor, brand new Optima battery. A lot of room to work on stuff in here. Everything's all good. Brand new part right there. You can see. Brand new belt. CarQuest. Super clean.